Welcome back to Desi Boy's Kitchen. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a dough, right? A lot of my friends, like from my friends' kids, they don't know how to make a dough, and they always say, "Oh, we don't know how to make a dough." Yeah. So I think most people are scared of getting their hands dirty, you know. So I'm gonna show you an easy way of making a dough, right? Get some flour and make a hole in the middle, right, like this, right? I put some water in it. Right, and then we just bury the water in the flour, right? There you go. Right? And then with a spoon, we just start mixing it. Keep on mixing. As it gets thicker, keep on adding little bit water, right? There you go. And keep on mixing. As it's getting thicker, keep on adding little bit water, little by little, right? You don't want to put too much water in it. If you put too much water in it, add a bit more flour. Look at this. It's all gathering together. Look at that. Now we're gonna wet our hands a little bit like this and put the spoon on the side. Look at that. Just play with it. It's quite soothing. Yeah? Look at that. And we're just gonna clean the sides. Look at that. That was getting ready. So if it's too loose, but sprinkle a little bit more flour on it. Right? There you go. There you go. Now your flour is ready. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the dough to rest, right? There you go. Just cover it up and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, right? So let it rest. Alright guys, we have after 5 minutes the dough is ready. So we rested the dough for 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is, right, a lot of the young children out there, they can't make chapati, round chapati, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a paratha, yeah? So how we're gonna make a paratha is a lot easier to make than a chapati, yeah? So you take a small dough, put a bit of oil on it, put some flour on it, and make a round, right? There you go. So, roll it however you want to roll it, yeah? So rolling one side is pretty good like this, yeah? So, pretty good around, right? But if it's not round, don't worry about it, right? So put some oil on it. bit of salt, pinch of salt that goes in. So you fold it, then put a bit of oil on it again, and then fold it, right? Then every layer you put oil on it, a little bit, right? Fold it, and then fold it back. Look at that. Is this easier? Very, very easy. Piece of cake. So, put a flour on it. And there is no hard and fast rule, right, of how the paratha is going to be made, right? Because you don't need to make a shape of a round shape, because round shape is a lot harder. So we're just making some sort of square. Whatever is not square doesn't really matter, right? So paratha is a lot easier to make, like I keep on saying. Don't worry about the shape, yeah? Here you go, pick this up. It's just to take the excess flour off it, right? Goes onto your tawa. There you go. Voila, beautiful. Let's check. So put the gas up. Right. Once you start smelling, you know, if you start having this smell, fragrance of the flour, the dough getting ready, pick it up, turn around. So this is like really, when it's not, it shouldn't be fully cooked, right? Half cooked, right? Then you put some oil on the top. There you go. Right, let's see. Wow, look at that, it's getting cooked. So when the bubbles start to come on the top, you know, like this, is bubbling, like a balloon, a little bit bubbling. So that means the bottom part is ready, right? So look at this, bubble here, bubble here, bubble there, right? You pick it up, turn it on. Wow, look at that. How beautiful it is. Wow. Put some oil on it, on this side. And your salted paratha is ready. Voila. So this is for my amateur friends, right, who don't want to cook, right, and who wants to visit their moms and their mother-in-laws for the Indian cooking, right, Indian food. Start cooking, guys. Look how easy, how simple this is, right? If you can't make roti, make a paratha. Simple. Right, there you go. Paratha is ready. We've just made a paratha. This is leftover aloo gobi from last night. So let's see. Look at this paratha, right? It's really done from inside. So we're just gonna taste it. Wow. Very crispy, nicely done. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Stop cooking, keep on cooking, guys. Bye for now. See you soon.